Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset the preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the apps and services actually. Now let's tap on apps at the very top and tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset the Preferences, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset. And basically that's all. This is how to reset the preferences in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.